Today we're going to talk about using the Flatbed scanner. It's made by Epson and it's over here. The first thing I like to do when starting out a project is to turn the scanner on and let it warm up for a little while. It's very important I don't open any software or do anything until this green ready light goes solid. I will now open the software. View Scan lives down here on the dock. Now there's a couple presets. If you go up to File, you can see, maybe hopefully, what you're trying to scan. Right now I got a couple photographs. I'm going to place them all down on the scanner and it's going to scan them all at once. So I will do Load Photo 600 dpi because they're kind of small. So that sets everything correctly over here on the scan settings. So we'll load up the scanner. All right, the software is kind of a two-step process. First, you'll want to click on Preview, and that gives us a quick scan to look at our photographs and what we want to save, how we want to crop, maybe how we want to rotate them. Great. So over here in the cropped area, we've got a selection of our photographs, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to rotate this over. That looks good. Maybe pull this down a little bit. That one looks good too. This one I might skew a little bit. Nah, it's in pretty good shape. Cool. The computer managed to crop those pretty well for me, so I like that. Now, once I press Scan, I'm going to make 4 separate files, which is what I want. I want each of these photographs to be their own picture file. All right, that's great. I really like that. I'm going to go down to Pictures, and I'll take a look. Oh yeah, so there's 4 separate files. I'll open that in Finder. And then here I can take these, I can rename them, I can get a closer look, and then I can also save them to my flash drive and take off.